far. And there's also that going on. Let's zoom out. It's gonna be so loud. Oh, look how bright it is! I'm going down here. Happy 4th of July, America! Happy 4th of July. I don't really vlog that much, but I think I might start talk about how the recovery is for people. It's gonna burn me. It's gonna burn me. Now, it'd be cool, like, if you're on an airplane right now, but it'd also be bad. It'd also be bad because, like, you get to miss out on everyone lighting fireworks. And it's not done yet. Okay, I think it's done.
Make sure, because I thought there was 14.
There's lots.
Jeffrey!
Wait, Jeffrey!
There's an airplane.
I know, there's an airplane.
So the fire's out. It's going out.
Yeah, it's going out. Everything's good. Everything's okay. I'm gonna see if I can see any. And, yeah.